Hi, this is the OPPO A38 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's open first the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of these currently options, or just to change the positions of these icons, we should click here to these three dots and tap to edit titles. So just to remove some of these options from the panel, you should click to this minuses by this way, and to remove some of them to your panel, just you should click to this green pluses by this way. To reset the changes, you should click here to reset. If you want to switch the just positions of the icons on the panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it. And also if you want to save the changes, just tap to go back, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.